Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to claim Shopee insurance. I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. First, log into your Shopee account using your email or phone number. Once you are in the home page, hover over your profile icon at the top right corner. From the drop down, select Shopee insurance. Here, you can see the insurance here. Click on it. This page shows you all your active insurance, like here. Find the policy you want to claim. Here are the policies. Once you have selected, fill in your order name, a short description of the issue, and upload any required documents or photos. Here are the details. After submitting, you will get a notification with your claim reference number. Shopee will review your request, which may take some time. And that's it. Now you know how to claim Shopee insurance. Be sure to check your inbox or Shopee message for updates. Thank you.